In this video we are going to show you how to easily set up WhatsApp auto-empted message with ZOHO CRM using Growmessage. First off, click on WhatsApp and add your WhatsApp number by scanning the QR code using your WhatsApp application in your smartphone. Then proceed to REST API section of your account. Select the account you have added. Scroll down to Post Send Text section. We'll keep this ready for the ZOHO CRM setup. Then, let's head over to ZOHO CRM and create a workflow by opening the Setup page. Then under Automation click on Workflows. Click on Create Rule. Select a module, in this case we will select Leads, then add a rule name, then click Next. You can set the condition rules based on your requirements. For example, you can set a message to be sent if the status of a lead changes. For now, let's trigger it to send to all new leads. Then proceed to Instant Actions and select Webhooks. Click on New Webhook. Add a name for the webhook. Go back to Growmessage REST API section, then copy the URL and paste it in the URL to notify in ZOHO CRM. Scroll down to Body section of Webhook and then copy the body section in Growmessage. Make sure to set the body to raw and JSON. Here we will set an automated field merge that will pull the WhatsApp number corresponding to the lead it will be sent to. Type #key to show the drop-down list of available fields. Select the WhatsApp number it will be sent to. Now, we will add the merge field in the URL. Add a question mark and number equals to the merge field. Set the message you want to send to your leads. Once done, click on Save. Let's head over to the Lead section to test our automation. Create a test lead with a phone number and then save. You will see in the timeline that our workflow has been triggered successfully. Now, let's check if the message was sent successfully in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. This is the end of our tutorial.